to be building something, and when you think you have an idea of what we are building, I don't want you to shout out the answer. Okay? If you think you know, instead I want you to put your hand on your head to show me that you know what we're building. Now, what we're building starts off with the smallest living thing in that ecosystem. Who wants to guess what the smallest living thing in that ecosystem could be? Plankton, very good, yeah. Plankton are so super small that you actually need a microscope to see them. If we had a microscope, this is what some plankton would look like. Plankton can be itty bitty teeny tiny animals. They can also be itty bitty teeny tiny little plants. And all they do is float around out there in the water. Now today, since you can't see plankton with your eyeball, today this is going to be our plankton. Alright, that's going to be our plankton today. Now, what in the world can eat plankton? I am thinking of something squiggly wiggly. It lives under the mud. Let's see. Jada, what do you think? Yeah, worms. So today, I don't have a real worm, but today this is going to be our worm. So our worm loves to eat plankton. Can anybody think of another animal that might want to eat a worm? It swims around out there in the wetlands. What do you think, Priscilla?
A fish?
Yeah, I agree with you. Today this is going to be our fish. Let me find the code. Alright, this is going to be our fish today. Ta-da. So our fish eats the worm. Our worm eats the plankton. There's one more animal that lives out here in this ecosystem, and it loves to eat fish. What do you think, Jordan? I agree with you. I do think sharks like to eat fish. I completely agree with you. But the animal that I am actually thinking about does not live in the wetlands, but it lives in this ecosystem. It actually flies. A bird, very good, and you're absolutely correct. Boys and girls, this bird is an osprey. What's the name of this bird? All right, an osprey is a type of seahawk. So its favorite food is fish. It lives right out here. Sometimes if you're lucky enough, you can see them. And they're really cool birds. They're also very special birds, but we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Who knows, what did we just build here? When one animal eats another, eats another. We just built something. Talk to your neighbor if you think you have an idea of what we just built. Talk to your other neighbor if you think you have an idea. On the count of three, you're going to whisper it to me. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You're so smart. We just built a food chain. And a food chain is a series of events in which one organism eats another. That's a super scientific definition. But basically it's saying this animal eats this animal eats that animal, that animal eats that animal. So what did the bird eat?